It's your friendly freezing laser lady. Whether you need to stuff some stockings, get through a Secret Santa office party, or just want to make this the best laser-tastic Christmas ever, I've got you covered. The best part, these 8 laser cut and engraved gifts can be made last minute, out of scraps, and still make a memorable moment. Let's get inside. Now, before we get into it, I just want to mention that none of these are going to be Christmas themed particularly, though you could go down that route if you wanted to with some of these designs. There won't be any ornaments as a suggestion or anything like that. I think Christmas themed things are best before Christmas and not as a Christmas gift, because then you can't really get the full experience with them until the next year. It's kind of like getting a Christmas sweater on Christmas. You'll maybe wear it like 2 times before it gets packed up. So these will all be gifts that will last all year long and are for men, women, and children alike. Plus, I'll be showing you some fun places to get or make designs and fun materials to play around with so we can really save on time and peace of mind. With all that said, let's get that laser fired up. Number 1, laser engraved sketchbook / diary. This one is especially quick and easy because all we're going to do is engrave it. If you can find a real leather one, that's best, but a cork covered sketchbook or a colored paperboard cover would also work. I've even used a composition book that I spray painted and then engraved, and those are super duper cheap. You can engrave these with any laser, but I'll be using my CO2 Monport Reno 45 Vision Pro laser for this. I love all lasers, but CO2 lasers are my favorite. When choosing or making a design for someone in particular, it can be super easy because you know them. But when we're trying to make something a little more generic, say for a Secret Santa party at work, it can be much more tough. Inspiring quotes or something to do with your workplace is always a good start. I'm actually planning on giving this notebook to myself. So let's go for something to do with writing. I love writing. I'm going to search one of my favorite websites, creativefabrica.com, to see if any SVGs inspire me. They do offer 10 free downloads on select files, so you might be able to find something without having to get a whole subscription. This author nutrition facts SVG is hilarious. Let's get that downloaded and start engraving. To get an idea of the settings, I'm going to engrave a teeny tiny hi there in a sneaky spot on the back side. Now that I've got that figured out, let's engrave it with these settings. And it looks good. It just needs a little cleanup here and there you have it. Unfortunately, oh, there's a typo. Well, good thing I'm going to be keeping this one. Proofreading is a skill I obviously need to work on. I'll be fixing this later on in the video, so do stay tuned on how I do that. Number 2, laser cut living hinge hot cup sleeve. I love a nice hot beverage when making typos, but I don't like to burn my hands. Lots of people love coffees, and lots of people like reusable alternatives to one-use items. If you know someone like this, then this is the stocking stuffer for you. Well, for them. I found a living hinge hot cup sleeve, so let's make it. That's kind of hard to say. Living hinge hot cup sleeve. Nailed it. I love that I can use some scrap MDF to try it out. It cuts pretty quick and is super duper bendy. It can be replicated out of any pattern of living hinge and can be made longer, wider, shorter, or anything you need to fit a particular cup. I'll have to make a bigger one to fit this cup someday, but this one will do. Number 3, laser cut leather bookmark. Bookmarks are easy, super customizable, and can be made out of so many different types of materials. For this stocking stuffer, I'm going to finally try out this faux leather from Craft Closet. It is specially made for lasers, so don't just go putting anything under a laser beam. Materials like PVC can release a corrosive gas that can damage your laser and your lungs, so let's avoid that. This bookmark design was made by me, and of course I'll have links to download this and more down in the description and the pinned comment. The file is blank, so you can put anything you like on there or use a fancy material and call it good. I put some mushrooms on this one that I use for a bunch of the other designs I make, so I had the designs laying around, you could say. This engraves quickly with a super light power and a pretty quick cut. It just needs a bit of string or some ribbon, and now I can put it in a book as part of a gift or in my writing skull notebook, which I'm soon going to fix. Number 4, laser cut book stand. Speaking of books still, what if we want to display one or display a plate or an award even? There are easel style holders in the world, but let's use the power of a laser to make one that is much more cool. I found this dragon one. It's got 2 pieces, fits together. Let's do it. I'm going to use this finished wood, also from Craft Closet, so we don't need to fiddle with trying to finish raw wood. It's usually not recommended to finish wood in my snowy conditions anyway, so let's save a step. Of course, it cuts like butter. These nest together perfectly. You could glue them together, but I'm going to refrain from that in case I want to store this or to move it around. It's absolutely adorable. Look how it holds my book of skulls, or any other book, of course. Number 5, laser cut custom scrap keychain. If you find yourself with a lot of skinny and small, awkward scraps, keychains are seriously the way to go. They make great custom gifts, or you can even sell them, of course. They would be great as giveaways for your business or even someone else's business. To super quickly make a custom keychain, I'm going to head over to cuddle.xyz. If you've never heard of it, please go check it out. I love them so much, and you're going to see why. This Scrabble piece keychain template is fantastic. If you are making something for Secret Santa, perchance, you can refrain from names and do common household things that use keys or funny titles. I like to decrease the hang hole size and increase the area around it to make it a little more sturdier on a keychain. Once you have the toggles where you want them, you can instantly download and laser it out. I have some scrappy space on this bamboo sheet, so let's cut it out of this. I love the way bamboo smells when it's getting engraved. It really switches up the smells of lasers a bit, you know, from acrylic to maybe leather. It's a lot of smells, but bamboo is just so sweet. I love it. It's easy to just put a hook or a ring on there, and now it's ready to go. But where should we put this? Number 6, laser cut key holder. Key holders don't need to be a huge thing, especially when they just hold one set of keys, and especially when we want to use up our scraps. I made this little file to be super customizable and is included in that free file download with the bookmark as well. You can add more hooks onto there, maybe include a funny phrase like "good luck finding those keys" or any sort of image. I'm going to use the hook part like a tail in this cat design. As a cat person, I can't seem to help myself from putting a cat on pretty much everything. This hook is just under 3 inches, so let's find some scraps and cut it out. Perfection. I'm required to have one cat pun in with the cat design. It's cat law. I'm sorry, I had to do it. It would look best with some stain, maybe some paint. All it needs is a hanger on the back or one of those double-sided sticky pads, and it's ready to hang some keys on. Number 7, laser cut magnets, coasters, and more. Some designs can be made into a bunch of different items. Take these coasters I made. I have a 100 coasters file, and this plant one could be scaled down to be a magnet or a keychain, regular size coaster, of course, or blow it up to be a trivet, a wall hanging, or what I'm going to make, a plant base. I'm actually going to make it 2 layers. So in Lightburn, I outline the shape with a new cut line, increase the size, and separate those 2 files. The bottom layer will be some sturdy MDF. Cuts like butter, boom, done. The top layer will be this awesome thin sticker-backed cork. I also got this off of craftcloset.com, love them. When engraving and cutting cork, be super careful. Test with low levels and high speeds and watch it like a hawk. This stuff loves to catch fire. Now that this is done, let's stick them together. What a cute little plant base. I could put it on a hook and hang it up too. Who knows? Well, I know one thing. Let's use the sticky cork to cover up that notebook. I found a better design, measured it to be slightly bigger than the first one, and even proofread it this time. Crazy idea, I know. It sticks right on there and no one will ever know. Except us. Now tell no one. It would make me feel a lot better actually if you commented, "Your secret is safe with me." Plus, it'll confuse everyone that hasn't gotten to this part of the video yet. So let's play a little prank, shall we? I love that. Now, next one is number 8, laser cut gift card holder. Get a gift card, but give the gift card in style. You'll be able to find some great designs pretty much anywhere you find files, so they can be reused again and again. I actually still have a gift card holder from Creative Fabrica I made last year. It's amazing what a little paint and MDF can do. And I'm so glad I found it. I never actually gave this to anyone, so it looks like I'm having pizza for dinner. There are also great customizable gift card and money holders on cuddle.xyz, so check those out too. Now I'll have links down below and on my blog for everything seen here today, the materials, a lot of the designs I used, and of course the downloads I have created for you as well. And if you want to see what I made last Christmas with just a few supplies from the Dollar Tree, then check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching and happy Christmas crafting!